Here locally, we're talking about some snow, everybody. That snow from this morning through lunch stays west over the mountains and valleys. So when we look then in the afternoon, what's the timing? Between about 2 to 4 o'clock, we'll start to see this warm front spread back some very scattered rain to snow showers. From Teller County to parts of western and northern El Paso County, there could actually be kind of a aggressive bursting effect of snow by like 4 to 5 o'clock, which visually will be very cool, but you won't really get too much accumulation until after 6 p.m. That warm front by 6 is pushing some scattered rain and thunderstorms likely out east of Otero County, but Denver by 6 o'clock is accumulating snow quickly, and then between 6 to 8, it's dropping back into Teller and El Paso County. So for like Monument, Black Forest, Colorado Springs, and Teller County, I think like 8 o'clock and after is when you really start to accumulate. But Denver, it's as soon as 6 p.m. So keep that in mind for your evening commutes between 6 p.m. and then anything after that. If you're trying to come back home from Denver, that's a tough drive. The snow accumulation is so dramatically different on I-25 from Monument through downtown back into Pueblo. Why? Well, the low pressure system is too far north to drop in that banded snow to El Paso County, and then that north wind off the Palmer Divide is a drying effect. It's just a bad situation to really get any snowfall for the Highway 50 corridor, which we really desperately need. Pueblo, La Junta, we need some snow with Canyon City, but this is going to favor far northern El Paso County and Denver. It's going to be really bad around the Denver metro, Lyman as well, because there's so much wind overnight up there. But for us, we're still looking pretty rough on the north half of El Paso County, really like the north third. Monument, Black Forest, Palmer Lake, kind of an easy 5 to 8 inches, if not a little bit more. Look at Castle Rock, 8 to a foot. That makes me think that I-25 from Monument up through Denver, overnight in the first half of tomorrow, it's possible we'll see a safety closure for snow. Highway 24 west of east of Falcon at Callahan will be seeing a lot of snow and a lot of wind. And Highway 24 into Woodland Park, 4 to 8 inches is a huge amount of snow, just so much less when you look at downtown. Give me a second to skip over and look at our super 7-day forecast here. When we look at the 7-day through the Springs, the worst of it kind of finishes up in the first half of Wednesday. After that, we're still pretty cold in the long term with some flurries possible on Friday, kind of reminding us we are in January. In Pueblo, Tuesday to Wednesday, just some flurries overnight through tomorrow, even a little rain in the middle of the day, and maybe some flurries through Friday. Canyon City also, whatever falls tonight through tomorrow, it's less than an inch of snow from what we can tell, and then maybe some flurry chances late in the week with Woodland Park. Maybe a burst of snow between 3 to 4, but the real accumulation is after 8 o'clock, so tonight through tomorrow, we're talking 4 to 8 inches. That's a rough Wednesday morning drive.